A community cooking class is having a big impact on families who live in some metro Atlanta food deserts.
All right, get your taste buds ready for this one as CBS 46 anchor Gravir Dinza goes inside the kitchen where these families are learning to prepare healthy, budget-friendly meals.
So tonight we're doing pizza.
Carrots on pizza?
It's graduation night.
Yep, it's a thing.
A rainbow pizza with just vegetables.
So is a slice of snow pea, broccoli, and pineapple pizza.
We're using 6 or 7 different types of vegetables and fruits to add to their pizza that they would not normally put on a pizza at home.
That's Chef Ashley Keys. Each week she teaches families how to think outside the box when it comes to healthy meals.
All right, so grab some more.
Through a free 3-week course, Cooking with Choices.
So we kind of changed our mindset a little bit on what they should use. The meals we try to do for less than $15 for a family of 4. So we try to do, pasta, or we try to think of what kids already eat and how we can make it healthier.
Studies show children that eat with their families just a couple of times a week decrease their risk of obesity. They're also more likely to eat fewer fried foods and drink sodas and eat more fruits and vegetables.
Low salt, no sodium.
Which is why programs like Choices are so impactful, says Carrie Norris with the Fulton DeKalb Hospital Authority.
The same old things aren't working. If they were working, then we wouldn't have health disparities. So the biggest part of having a partner who's innovative and inclusive of the parents as well as the children is the children are learning the prevention education.
The authorities partnered with Choices for the last several years, targeting communities most at risk.
Atlanta pretty much stands out a lot when it's in regards to heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and HIV, unfortunately. We're affecting the long-term outlook for families to be healthier and to have greater outcomes.
Ashley Collier says she's cut down on serving fries and chicken nuggets to her daughter Amina.
I really want her to get a variety. I like food, I like trying everything, and I just want her to, start having an open mind because she is really basic. So I think this will help her.
Marcus Richardson was so inspired by the class, he's become a fixture, working as Key's assistant. He now plans to go study culinology.
I liked being with my family and cooking, and it really broadened me to a lot of healthier choices because before I always thought about deep fried foods and everything else.
The next Cooking with Choices class is November 17th. Now, space is limited. It fills up pretty fast. To sign up and for more details, tap on the CBS 46 app. I'm Gravir Dinza, CBS 46 News.